03 Ranger, and my key lock on the door stopped working. Works fine on the other side, but let me see if we can find out what's going on with this. Well, first thing I want to do is spray some WD-40 or something like that in the lock. There's a good chance that that'll free it up, but if it doesn't, then I want to show something else. That did free it up because I already did it a few minutes ago, but sometimes it doesn't, and I want to show how to get at this lock without taking the door apart. And there's a clip right here, retaining clip. You just pull that right out, get this lock out of there, and if you're real careful, you can change this lock from out here if you needed to by pulling this clip, this little C-clip off of there. But it'd be tricky, but you can probably do that from out here and get another one on there. But what I want to show here is just getting access to the wafers in the bottom. And when you have access to those, you can press on them and make sure they're moving freely. Put your key in and out of there, spray some lube in there, and then your key will start turning again once you get some lube sprayed into those wafers and get them moving around a little bit. And that'll save you from having to take the door apart, hopefully, to get the lock out.